Hey guys, Joe Teti here. Just Dale and I are going to start doing some demonstrations on different techniques, and one of the things that I just wanted to show you, which is very rarely practiced, but it's extremely applicable in a street fight, i.e. street gunfight. So get into a confrontation with someone, somebody bam, knocks the crap out of you, knocks you flat on your ass, and you're on the ground. This guy pulls out a knife or a gun and you're on your back. What are you going to do? You think you have time to stand up? I don't think so. Not in a gunfight. So you're gonna have to learn to shoot on your back. There's a very simple technique that I learned from a guy years ago that I apply to this day, and it's great. So if you want to look down range right now, I've got an IPI target set up about 20 yards away. Now, are you gonna be shooting this far? No, actually you're gonna be shooting like right here. The guy punches you in the face, you fall back, you're gonna draw your gun and you're gonna shoot. But for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna shoot literally 10 times as far away as you would be, just to show you how accurate this technique is. And here's basically how it goes down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put myself on, first off, let me just show you. I got a cleared weapon, no round in the chamber, no magazine, like Dale was saying, double check it twice. So here's what's gonna happen, right? Boom, I get punched in the face, you know, I get knocked down, bam, on the ground I go, boom, right? I look up and the guy is staring right at me, point blank range. He's taking out a knife, he's taking out a gun. I do not have time to stand up. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna draw my gun, and what you can do now, granted, you're gonna be really close, okay? But the technique that I love, and I've shot steel at 50 yards like this, is you present your gun, you sit up and you squeeze your hands, right? You establish your grip and you squeeze your hands with your knees. It is literally like a vice. I could shoot literally at 10 yards a hole, about that big, 10 shots. It's super accurate and it doesn't take a lot of practice to get good at this, but I'm gonna demonstrate here on the range. So again, you're just gonna sit up, you're gonna draw your gun, establish your grip, squeeze the gun with your legs, and you're gonna take your shots. Now, here's where the difference comes in. If you've got a lot of kit on, can't do this.
I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Got body armor on. If you've got a vest on, you can't do this. You can't crunch fitness. You can't crunch up enough to establish that squeeze with your legs. You're just gonna have to shoot with the best platform you can. But right now I don't have any kit on. So let me show you how this works. I'm just gonna spin around. And again, this is 10 times the distance that you would be shooting at. Eyes and ears. All right, so one other safety thing, and I'm gonna show you right here on the ground. Like Dale was saying before, if you can imagine a laser coming out of your gun, you don't wanna burn yourself. So when you draw, the tendency here is to sweep your leg. Guys, you don't wanna do that. That's just bad business. It becomes a habit and you're gonna sweep people all the time. Do not sweep your feet or your leg. So all right, you get knocked on your ass, boom, I get knocked down, right? I look up, my legs are up, and I see the guy standing right in front of me. Do not pull your gun out and sweep your leg, okay? Either go over it, or what I do, there's really no other way to do it, or drop your leg like that, okay? So, you get knocked down, bam, I look up, the guy's standing right here in front of me. All I'm gonna do from this point is I'm gonna draw my gun, I'm gonna basically do a crunch, right? And I'm gonna squeeze the gun with my hand, with my legs on both sides of my hand, like this. Guys, that's 10 times the distance. Every shot, right in the A zone. It's a great technique. It's a great technique, and it's practical in a real gunfight. get knocked on your ass, you do not have time to stand up. You just don't.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.